Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome in Ayesha Lecture. Today I will tell you about some rules of addition and subtraction, that how we will find our answer when our value is in the form of plus and minus. We call it plus or addition sign. We call it minus and subtraction. Here are some rules that I am going to telling you. Plus equal to plus. For example, here is plus 2 plus 5. Both values are in plus, so our answer is also in plus. Here is plus 7. Now plus minus equal to minus. For example, here we will see that we have plus 2 and minus 5. Our answer is minus 3. When you have a situation like this, plus and minus, then we will do the value minus, but the sign will come in answer for a big amount. So we have a big amount 5 here, which is in minus. That's why there will be a big amount sign in the answer also, that is minus. So our answer is minus form, that is minus 3. Here is minus plus. For example, here we have minus 6 and minus 3. And our answer is minus 9. We have read minus equal to plus. The minus values in this will be plus, but the sign will come for a big amount. 6 we have a big amount, and with 6 there is minus. So we will write minus in answer, because greater value has minus symbol. That's why we will write our answer in minus form. So our answer is minus 9. Subscribe to my channel to watch such more videos and click on bell icon so that every new video of mine can reach you. Thank you.